Let's start with defining sequence. A sequence is when you put a certain number of numbers in a definite sequence. Right? Or in a definite order. That group of numbers is called a sequence, right? So let's take an example. Let's say you put these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, let's say until n. Now you notice that all these n numbers are in a certain order. They are all a group of natural numbers, right, in a particular order. So this is a sequence, right? Let's take another example. Let's say we have 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared and so on up till n squared. So again we have n numbers and they are again in a specific order, right, where each number is given by the general term of each of these is given by n squared, right? So all of these, they are sequences. Now when we talk about progressions are specific kinds of sequences, right? And in the course of our discussion on progressions, we are going to discuss 3 of them. The first is an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. So an arithmetic progression, right, is when you have a number, right? Let's say you have a first number 3, okay? And when that number and the next number, the difference is a constant. So if let's say I take the next number as 7, you notice that the difference between these two numbers is 4. And if I take the next number, which is again 4 more than 7, which is 11 and 15 and 19 and so on, then this is an arithmetic progression. So there are various ways in which I can try to describe an arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers where the second number is the first number plus a constant. The third number is the second number plus the same constant and so on. Next, let's define a geometric progression. Geometric progression. Now, geometric progression is unlike arithmetic progression where I kept adding something to the first number to get my second and then added the same thing to get my third and so on. In case of geometric progression, I will continue to multiply the starting number with a constant thing, right? So let's say I multiply 3 by 2, I get 6 as my second number. Then the third number is 6 times 2, 12. Fourth number will be 12 times 2, 24. Fifth number will be 24 times 2, 48 and so on, right? So this becomes my geometric progression. So I continue to multiply the previous number with the same number to get the next number, becomes a geometric progression, or GP in short, right? This is AP in short. The third kind of series, the third kind of sequence that we're going to talk about is a harmonic progression, or HP for short. Now, the way harmonic progressions work, right, is essentially harmonic progressions are a series of numbers whose reciprocals are in arithmetic progression, right? So if you look at 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, then these numbers are in arithmetic progression. So if these numbers are in arithmetic progression, then 1 by 3, 1 by 7, 1 by 11, 1 by 15 and so on are in HP. So you notice that the denominators, right, or the reciprocals of harmonic progression, the numbers in harmonic progression are numbers in arithmetic progression.